Hello friends, welcome to the new series by Select Effort where we'll be discussing about the important GK questions which are a crucial part of SSC, CHSL, RRB and many other competitive exams. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which branch of science deals with the study of soil and cultivation? And your options are A. Ecology, B. Histology, C. Agrology and D. Agrostology. And the answer is C. Agrology. Let's have a look at the takeaways. Agrologists offer advice and services related to agricultural and environmental science and technology. They apply scientific principles to the cultivation, production, use and improvement of plants and animals and to the management of associated resources. Question number 2. Which organ controls the temperature of body? And your options are A. Skin, B. Brain, C. Spinal cord and D. Eyes. Let's have a look at the correct answer. It's A. Skin. The skin regulates your body temperature through blood vessels and through the process of sweating. Here comes question number 3. What is the hardest substance in the human body? And your options are A. Skull, B. Bones, C. Kneecap and D. Tooth enamel. And the correct answer is D. Tooth enamel. Let's have a look at the takeaways. It is a thin outer covering of the tooth. This tough shell is the hardest tissue in the human body. It covers the crown, which is the part of the tooth that's visible outside the gums, because enamel is translucent, so you can see the light through it. Question number 4. Oncology is the study of what? Your options are A. Cancer, B. Brain tumor, C. Anemia and D. Thalassemia. The correct answer is A. Cancer. And here is a brief description of the oncologist and 3 major areas that are based on cancer treatment, which are medical oncology, radiation oncology and surgical oncology. Question number 5. What is the green pigment in a plant leaf called? And your options are A. Mitochondria, B. Chlorophyll, C. Ribosomes and D. Chloroplast. Let's have a look at the correct answer. The answer is B. Chlorophyll. Here are the takeaways. It is a pigment present in the chloroplast, which is responsible for the green color in leaves. Question number 6. Homology is the study of. And the options are A. Plants, B. Mammals, C. Fruits and D. Vegetables. The correct answer is C. Fruits. Homology is a branch of botany that studies fruits and its cultivation. Question number 7. What happens to iron's weight when it gets rusted? Okay, so the options are the weight increases, it decreases, it remains same, or you cannot weigh it after it gets rusted. And the correct answer is A. Increases. Means the weight of iron increases once it gets rusted because of the process of oxidization. Let's have a look at the next question. Insulin is used in the treatment of which disease? And your options are A. Dengue, B. Anxiety, C. Cough and D. Diabetes. And the correct answer is D. Diabetes. Here are the takeaways. Insulin therapy is often an important part of diabetes treatment. It plays a key role in managing your blood sugar and preventing diabetes complications. Next question is question number 9. Gobar gas is rich in which of the following? Your options are A. Carbon dioxide, B. Sulfate, C. Methane, and D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Methane. Biogas is a methane-rich gas produced from microbial digestion of waste, which can be used for power production. Next question. Which planet is the largest planet in the solar system? This question does not actually require options. Still, your options are Jupiter, Neptune, Earth, and Saturn. The answer is A. Jupiter. The order of planets in the solar system is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. So fifth in the line, Jupiter. It is by far the largest planet in the solar system. Question number 11. What is the fear of darkness called? Your options are aquaphobia, leucophobia, C. nyctophobia, or D. acrophobia. And the correct answer is C. nyctophobia. It is an extreme fear of the dark. The name comes from the Greek word night, which itself indicates that it is a fear of darkness. Next question. Which amongst the following is the best conductor of electricity? Here are your 4 options. A. Hot water, B. Saline water, C. Normal water, and D. Distilled water. The correct answer is B. Saline water. Seawater has a relatively large number of sodium and chloride ions and has a conductivity of around 5 Sm. This is because of sodium chloride salts dissociate into ions. Hence, seawater is about 1,000,000 times more conductive than fresh water. Question number 13. What is the name of first supercomputer of India? And your options are A. Nova, B. Intersil, C. GPD Pocket, and D. Param. The correct answer is D. Param. Let's have a look at question number 14. Which is the largest flower in the world? Here are your options: sunflower, telepot palm, rafflesia, and lotus. The correct answer is C. Rafflesia. Here are some takeaways from the description and characteristics of the largest flower in the world. It is also called a monster flower. Question number 15. Which blood group is referred as the universal recipient? The universal recipient is which blood group? The options are AB positive, O positive, B positive, or D O negative. The correct answer is A, AB positive. Here is a brief description of all the blood groups related. Following which we are proceeding towards the next question. Question number 16. Tylenology. Tylenology is the study of what? Here are your 4 options. A. Planets, B. Moon, C. Stars, or D. Eclipse. And the correct answer is B. Moon. In Greek, the moon is named Selene, as is the moon goddess of ancient Greek mythology. The English word tylenology, or the study of moon's geology, is derived from it. Question number 17. Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie, famous places for gold mines, are located in. Your options are A. Brazil, B. USA, C. South Africa, or D. Australia. The correct answer is D. Australia. Question number 18. What is the total number of bones in a human body? Here are your options: A. 104, B. 206, C. 180, and D. 280. Let's have a look at the correct answer, which is B. 206. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones, including the bones of skull, including the jawbone, spine, cervical, and lumbar vertebrae, tailbone, chest ribs, and the breastbone. Question number 19. Prolonged bleeding happens due to the deficiency of which vitamin in the body? And your four options are A. Vitamin K, B. Vitamin B12, C. Vitamin C, and D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is A. Vitamin K. The last question, question number 20. Which enzyme is responsible for digestion of protein? And your options are A. Amylase, B. Hydrolase, C. Pepsin, and D. lipase. The correct answer is C. Pepsin. And here are the information of this important enzyme which is responsible for digestion of proteins in the human body.
Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.